Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Uh, Before I started my today's video, it's a request for you guys to please go ahead and subscribe my channel because a lot of people are watching my video. A lot of people are watching my video, but they are not my subscribers. So please go ahead and subscribe my channel so you guys would know that whenever I'm uploading the video, don't forget to ring the bell icon and. So please go for it. And today I'm gonna tell you that about how you can transfer the songs into your phone the best and easiest way, which is not using the iTunes. I'm gonna use 3U tool to import, and the same way you can import or export anything you want to do that the best way without deleting your existing songs. So here I'm going to open the 3U tool. So as you can see that my iPhone XS is attached to the computer, and I just downloaded a few songs to copy them into my phone. So like as you can see, I unplugged my phone. I'm gonna plug it back again to show you. So at this point, all I need to click on the music. As you can see, whatever the music is in my phone, you can see that already. You can delete it if you want to. You can create your playlist. Like I create a playlist of new songs as I created, and I want to copy the new songs to come into the new playlist. So all I need to do is click import, select file, go to downloads, and not downloads specifically where you put your song. It's not like you have to go to the downloads, but it's gonna ask you where your songs are located actually. So I selected my songs, I click open, and all I need to wait to get all the songs imported to my phone, and that is it. That's how you can copy your songs to your phone the best and easiest way, even the quickest way you can use to copy your songs into your any iPhone. So the same way you can import is the same way you can click and export. Even they already exist in your phone, you don't have in your computer. All you need to do, select whatever you want to export it, click export, create a folder where you want to export it. Then that way you can do anything you want to import or export. And the same thing you can do with the photos, like whatever photos you want to import and export, you can do that. So one more time, don't forget to subscribe my channel because a lot of videos are upcoming, and don't forget to ring the bell icon, and that's it for the day. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.